Hi, Martin Amato. This laundry room is definitely in need of a pick-me-up. It's time for an Ion at-home makeover. First, we took a trip to Home Depot for supplies. Next, we'll give the walls a fresh coat of paint to brighten up the room. Now let's tackle the flooring. Life-proof vinyl plank flooring is a great option because it's lightweight and easy to install, right over your existing floor. Best of all, it's 100% waterproof, which is perfect for a laundry room. And you get a truly custom, authentic wood look floor. For optimum storage, we place wire shelves with cabinets for a clean look that makes good use of vertical space. And of course, add a personal touch with stylish decor pieces and a little fun. And there you have it, our laundry room makeover. You might even want to spend more time doing laundry. For more tips, check out my blog at iontelevision.com. Brought to you by the Home Depot. More saving, more doing.